How to add bullets in WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to add bullets in WhatsApp messages. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch WhatsApp application on a device. Make sure to log into your particular account and don't forget to update your application so that you can add bullets in your updated version of WhatsApp messages. So, you need to locate any chat and open the particular chat where you want to send the bullet message. So, tap on the message and you need to tap on this smiley or the sticker icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, or you need to tap on this 1 2 3 to get this numeric section where you need to tap on dash, add space, and the bullet has been turned on. You can easily type in any message and send this bullets text to the WhatsApp person or the conversation. Tap on the airplane like icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.